There's a girl across the street from me. I buried her son beneath that tree. I don't know why she's mad at me. He was stinking up my garage, you see. I met a cute boy, he liked my smile. We fell in love for a little while. He kissed me on the lips and it tasted sweet, so I chopped him into pieces and cooked his meat. Serial killers are people too. If you take away the voices, I'm just like you. I'll hack you up and bury you in my yard. But why does making friends have to be so very hard? I made a dress